Hey everyone. I know I've shared this before, but I have a lot of new people, and I just thought I'd get it out there because I had some questions. And I love people following me because I love sharing my recovery journey along with other stuff in my life. But addiction recovery is really like a really big thing in my life because when I was 15, I was in a bad boiler wreck, and I had to be on pain pills for that because it was that bad. I messed my back up real bad and messed my leg up real bad, kneecap and all, and I was on pain pills. And then they got where I was taking them so often after after I wasn't like in pain, I was still using them and I was just like abusing them. So that's like where my journey started. And then later on in life, I got addicted to a lot of other things and, a lot of other drugs. And I was able to quit all of them, but I, after I quit all the other drugs, this is like when I was in my 20s. I don't remember exactly how old I was. I know it was like 2010 I started. Well, I used pills from the time I was 16 all the way up to like 2010. So it was years. Let me put it that way. And then I got addicted to other drugs, and then I quit those, and then I got addicted to felony glitter, and I was on that stuff for like 6.5 years. And I did not. I overdosed when I was using, but it's because it was laced. Like there was like a period of my 6.5 years. It was like a couple times it happened where it was laced with stuff, and I didn't know that. And that's what I overdosed from, was it being laced. It wasn't that specifically. It was just because it was laced with other stuff. I mean, that's what was going on back in the day. We're talking like I got clean in 2019, but 6.5 years on that. I relapsed 3 different times. What really got me to get sober, like clean, and I went cold turkey. I went complete cold turkey. That's not for everyone. But what I did, I just quit cold turkey. I lost the apartment I was living in. I had a lot, and then I almost died from my fifth overdose. So there was a lot of stuff that got me where I got clean. So, but I went cold turkey. That's not for everyone. But I am over 6 years clean. But that is kind of like a gist of my little journey. But if you ever have questions, want to talk, I'm always here. But happy Monday. No, Tuesday. Sorry about that. It's Tuesday.